how's it going? I just wanted to take you through my favorite butternut squash recipe, and I hope you enjoy it. First, carefully cut your butternut squash in half. Scoop out the seeds. Put the squash on a baking sheet and brush some melted butter on it. Then just sprinkle with salt and pepper. And into the oven. While your squash is in the oven, you can prepare your apples and your onions. Melt some butter in a pot and add your apples and onions. And just saute them until they're nice and soft. Looks like it's ready to come out. After it's cooled a little bit, you can scoop out the squash and put it in a bowl. Add the broth, water, salt and pepper, and bring to a boil over medium-high heat. Now it's time to add the squash. Reduce the heat and let it simmer for 20 minutes. After it's simmered for a while, you can use your immersion blender to blend it up. If you don't have an immersion blender, you can use a regular blender or a food processor in batches. Okay, so once you've got it nice and smooth, you can adjust the spices to your liking. You can add some cream, which is in the recipe, or you can add a vegan alternative. And you can even sprinkle some pepitas or pumpkin seeds on the top, which is really yummy too. I'm super excited to dig into this. I hope you guys will try it. Have a good one.